Welcome to the 5th video of the Rocket Jump project. Blake, what are we working on today?
Today we're going to work on the double tenon arch rails and the double tenon flat rails. So they're going to be some quick cutouts today on the flat ones, and then the arch ones we're going to get a little bit more time and complicated with the whole double cut. So
that's going to be exciting to see. Okay, let's get to work. Okay, we've put in a pointed route of it. Now we're going to bump it over until we're on the center on the piece. Notice that in red pencil it's been marked where the XY center is in this workpiece. Now we're just jogging the machine around to make sure we get a perfect center line. Now we're resetting the zero to the top of the material. All right, we just finished our 2 rails. Blake, tell us about the difference between these 2 rails.
So we have the bottom rail stretcher, which is going to be for the seats.
Okay.
We're going to basically round over the ends and stuff like that with that 3/4 radius like we did before. And then we're just going to take an 1/8 inch on the tops. And then you have your arch one. You'll notice that we put in the pockets that have the arch and everything. Those is where the back slats are going to go. We're going to take and round over the tenons, and basically it's going to have a nice cup to it for you to sit in on the back.
Awesome. Can't wait for the next video. Remember to like, subscribe, and check out our website at lwmcnc.com. See you guys in the next one.